Hey there! A new baby is the best thing that'll ever happen to your heart, and one of the biggest things that'll ever happen to your budget. The first year alone can run over $10,000 once you add it all up. Let me walk you through the baby budget and new parent finance planner, tab by tab, so you know exactly how to use it the moment you download it, and go into parenthood with a plan instead of a panic. Start on the pre baby expenses tab. This is your setup checklist, organized by category: nursery, gear, feeding, clothing, diapering. Every item gets an estimated cost and an actual cost, and the difference keeps you honest. We set aside about $3,400 and came in a little under. Enter these as you buy, and you'll never wonder where the money went. The baby registry tracker is where you turn your shower into real savings. List every item, its price, and who gifted it. As gifts come in, you can see exactly what's covered and what you still need to buy yourself. In our example, $647 of gear came from generous family and friends. Monthly expenses tracks the ongoing costs for the whole first year. Diapers, formula, clothing, pediatrician co-pays, childcare. Set a monthly budget for each, then log what you actually spend month by month so you can see how the costs shift as your baby grows. The Childcare Comparison tab might save you the most money of all. Line up daycare, in-home care, a nanny, and family care side by side with monthly cost per hour, and a 5-year projection. Our daycare center runs $1,450 a month, but a nanny is $2,600. Seeing those numbers next to each other before you commit is worth a fortune. The Parental Leave Planner is the one that lets you actually take your leave. Enter your income, how much leave you're taking, and your leave pay, and it calculates the shortfall and exactly how much to save before the due date. Ours needs about $4,800 set aside, and it tells you the monthly savings target to get there. The Baby Gear Resale tracker recovers money on the back end. Babies outgrow everything in months, so log what you paid, what you list it for, and what it actually sells for. That car seat and bassinet came back as $245, real money returned to your budget. And it all rolls up to the first-year financial dashboard. Your total setup costs, your net out-of-pocket after gifts, your monthly spending trend, a full category breakdown, and your total first-year cost, all on one screen. Ours comes to about $10,000, and now it's a number you planned for, not one that surprised you. That's the whole planner. 7 tabs, every formula already built, works in Excel and in Google Sheets, and it's an instant download. The link is in the description below. Congratulations, and go into your first year with a plan. Thanks for watching.